I'm going to show you how you can order from DHGate. Now, first off, you want to make an account. So go to your account here and you want to tap on join free like this, right? And once you tap on join free, it'll show a button like this, right? You can sign in manually like this with a password and an email, but I'm just going to sign in with a Google account to make it simpler for myself. So you can see you can sign in with a Google account. It'll open up a window like this. Now just sign in and pick an account you want to actually use. So I'm just going to pick this account. Now it's just gonna load for a little bit. It'll just load and then sign me in with Google. Let's just wait for this to get done. I'm just going to tap on continue with this. Now let's just continue. We wait for it to buffer like this. And you can see once it's done, we'll just have to wait for a little bit more as well. It needs a couple of minutes to actually refresh and actually register that you have signed me in. You can see, there you go. Now it has signed to this. Now let's just wait for this. And you can see, you can tell you have been logged in or signed in when it turns into this, right? You can see on this, it turns on to my actual username here. Now, once you also have that, we can now start with an ordering process. So for example, here, I'm just going to buy something random. I'm going to buy this phone here, a UO phone, Armor X6. I'm just going to tap on this. Now, on here, once you tap on that, it'll take you to a new window like this, right? Now, on here, if you can't tap on buy now, you see buy now, tap on this, just tap on buy now like this. You see, it'll come with free shipping as well. Now, on here, you will need to put in your contact region, your contact name, your address line, things like that, pretty standard stuff, right? So from the contact name, I'm just going to give it an example name like this. On the address line, I'm just going to give it something random here. Give me a second. I'm just going to paste this in. Now, once you paste this in, you can see I'll just say suggestion here. I'm just going to tap on this and it'll automatically fill it the rest of here. Now, on the mobile number phone, I'm just going to spam something random like this. And on the contact email, I'm just going to give it something random as well. You can't also need to fill it out. I'm just going to fill it out just in case here. I'm just going to fill it out like this. This is so anyone can contact us in case if anything goes wrong with our order here. So I'm just going to fill this in like this. Now, once I fill this in, I'm just going to tap on save. Now, once you tap on save, it'll load like this. And you can see it'll pull into my ship to my address right here, right? Now, once that's done, you just need to add in a card. So pay with a new card. And then you just have to tap on the pay now button here. Once you pay with the new card, you will need to put in your card number and your expiry date as well. And then once that's done, you can also enter in a code here if you'd like. You can see this is a review of the things we're gonna buy. Just tap on this button to pay now and then your order will be completed.